It's playtime!
Hey kids, today we're going to be opening up 5 Marvel Avengers surprise eggs. I think there's a possibility of 7 different action figures, but we're going to open up these 5 and see what we get. Alright, we just about got it open. Let's pull it out. Oh, and it looks like Iron Man. Pew, 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 pew. Alright, let's go for another egg. Almost got this one open, and it looks like the Incredible Hulk. Let's take this plastic bag off. Hulk. He's in a crouching position like he's just slammed the ground. Hulk smash. Oh, won't sit on the top. Alright, let's go for action figure number 3. Okay, we've popped the top on this surprise egg. Wonder who it is. Spiderman. Wow, and he's propped up against a wall, ready to shoot some web out. Spider-Man's browsing the city streets for an evil villain. Alright, let's set Spider-Man down. And let's open up another surprise egg. I wonder who we'll get. Surprise egg number 4 is almost open. Oh look, it's another Spider-Man. Well, at least if there's 2 Spider-Mans on the streets, they'll be really safe. Alright, let's go for our last surprise egg. We're almost done opening surprise egg number 5. And it's another Incredible Hulk. Bruh. Hulk smash. Let's see how these 2 Hulks like each other. I'm the real Hulk. No, I'm Hulk. Bam, bam, Hulk smash. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. hope you guys enjoyed the surprise egg video. If you'd like to watch some Avenger action figures being opened, you can follow one of the video links on your page. Thanks for watching our videos.
Hey kids! If you are enjoying playtime, click the big red button now to subscribe to our channel. As a subscriber, you'll be able to easily find all of our new videos!